Backsplash. Granted, it was only like a little bar area.
How did it turn out? Is it good?
Well, I measured so precisely that there were no cuts involved. So because I don't have tile tools,
sure,
I'm not a tile installer, and I did not want to rent any. So I literally picked tile with the measurement, with the intention of not having any cuts.
And did it? And it worked out?
It worked. Right.
Wow. It fit.
So
that
I used a no grout tile.
Okay.
So actually only had with a tile adhesive, which they have now a lot. I mean, I just had like a container of it. I can't remember the brand of it, but picked it up at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I literally like pasted the back of my tile and put it to the wall.
And it's set.
I'm very happy with it. And it was free labor, so.
Hey, listen, and that is, and we're talking about simple things, simple ideas. So, and that's about as simple as it gets.
Yeah.
Now,
besides the hardware, change out.
True. Now, when you do the hardware, though, you need to make sure that you get the right knobs and pulls because they are different